Welcome to the first ever WP Cache class. In this first class, I want to give you a general overview of how you can profit with plugins, themes, and tutorials, all related to WordPress blogs. Now, over the last several years, blogging has become huge, and WordPress has always been the front runner in what people picked to use for their blogging. Now, WordPress is simply the script that people can install on their sites that allows them to run a blog. There are other solutions like Blogger, but WordPress has so many options that most people use it. There's a ton of themes and plugins out there for it. You can turn a blog into basically any kind of site that you want, okay? And let's be clear here, we're talking about WordPress.org, not WordPress.com. WordPress.com is self-hosted. We're talking about the actual blogging WordPress script, okay? As a matter of fact, the other day I picked up WP Cache Machines, and it listed over 50 different types of sites you could create and make money with using WordPress. That just goes to show that this is a powerful little script. Now, I want to first start this class off with showing you how to install a WordPress blog on your own domain name. It's super duper easy and only takes a minute. But when you are going to be making money, with anything related to WordPress, you've got to know how to install it at least, okay? Like I said, I'm going to show you how to make money with plugins, themes, and tutorials, but you've at least got to be able to install a blog, so I want to show you that first. Let's do that now. Okay, I'm going to assume you already have hosting and a domain name all ready to go. If you don't know how to do that, you can go over to mymarketingtutorials.com. There's tutorials there, or you can search Google on how to do that. That's very, very basic stuff that you should know how to do, okay? So we've got my domain name. I'm going to be using 5waysto10k.com. all set up on hosting. So what I need to do is I need to go into my cPanel. You should always use a host that gives you cPanel. And I'm going to do, let's see, username and password. I want to go down to where it says Fantastico. Just look for the little smiley face. We're going to go here to WordPress. I'm going to click New Installation. And I just want to put this on the domain. You can have it like, 5waysto10k.com/blog or / whatever you want to call it. Just put it as a directory here, okay? I don't recommend doing that. Just put it on your domain name. You then need to pick a username and a password. Admin nickname, that'd be my name. Choose one of my spam email addresses here. And description, I'll put learn how to make $10,000 a month. Okay, click install WordPress. Finish installation. And guess what? It is now installed. When I go to 5waysto10k.com, there's my blog. It's all installed. Now, of course, I'll need to get a theme to make it look different, plugins to make it do what I want it to do. Depending on what I want it to do will depend on what I do from here. Make sure that you save your information. This is where you're going to log in to the back office of your blog. See, I did admin and Bob 123. And now I can log in here. I can make posts, pages, all kinds of stuff here, okay? Very easy to do. I'm not going to cover everything about a blog in this video. I just want to show you how to at least install a blog so that you can do this kind of thing. I am going to show you a couple of things on how to FTP a theme up to your blog and how to do plugins. So let's say we want to change the theme. You can go and search for free WordPress themes, freewpthemes.co. There's all kinds of them. I mean, just tons of them, okay? If we look like this one here, let's take a look. Let's see what the demo looks like. this was something that you liked, you could take this theme and put it on your blog. So let's say this is the one I want to use. Just picking one here, and let's download it. I'm going to download it right to my desktop. Here it is. Now I'm going to unzip it. And now is what I need to do while it's unzipping. You need to have an FTP program, because you've got to get this theme onto your server and into your blog files so that you can pick this theme within your dashboard, okay? So I'm just going to do a new FTP site. This one's called 5 ways to 10k.com. I have to do a www. Some people have to do ftp.domainname.com, and some people have to do www. Put in my password, my username and password. Now, this is going to take you to your public_HTML directory. We're going to go into WP-content, themes. Now, let's go check out this theme. It's already unzipped. Here's the theme. You want to open it up, make sure that it opens up to all these files. If it opened up to like another captions folder, you'd have to go within that folder. You want to get it to where the next folder you click on has these, okay? If not, you're going to screw up the hierarchy of the files, and then you won't be able to install this domain name. So I'm just going to take this, drag and drop it into here, and I can watch down here, or I can watch it uploading. I don't know how long this will take, but let's go find a plugin. I have several plugins that I use. I'll show you guys a few of them. Okay, a couple paid plugins I have. Contest Burner, the FB List Connect. This is a Facebook plugin. Pop-up Domination, Premium List Magnet, Wish List Member, WP Slide-In, WP Twin, WP Dripper. These all do several different things. Let's look at some free ones here. All-in-one SEO pack, auto hyperlink URLs. This makes clickable links, that kind of stuff. And I just have tons of ones in here that I personally use. Whatever you want your site to do, you can generally find a plugin out there to do it. So let's say that I want all the links on my blog to be clickable. By default, they are not. So I would use, just got off the page there, I would use this Auto Hyperlink URLs plugin. So now that we've got our theme, let's mess with it first. So we're going to go back. I'm going to get rid of everything here. And we just want to log into our blog. Oops. Sometimes I get happy fingers here. Okay, so now I want to go to Appearance and Themes, and because we've uploaded that theme, you should see it down here. If there's something wrong with the theme, it'll say, you know, broken theme, whatever. So we want to activate theme. Okay, it looks like you can change the logo here. This looks like a really good theme. If we look through here, different images, post date, RSS feed, custom stuff here. If we look at the layout, you can change the layout, primary menu, secondary menu, ads, support. So there's all kinds of different things you can do with this. But right now I just want to show you that it's now applied the default theme here to my blog. And you would have to go in and fill out, you know, all your information for Twitter, all this information up here. I'm sure you can take this kind of stuff off. You can change the blog logo, all kinds of stuff you can do here. If you look over here, there's calendar archives. You can change all this information. But like I said, that's kind of out of the scope of these videos. So that's exactly how you get your theme up there. So like I said, let me show you how to do the plugin. Plugins are basically the same exact way, except we're going to put them in the plugins folder. And auto hyperlink URLs. Okay, there's the files. So it's going to drag and drop that whole entire folder in there. I'm going to go into my blog, to my back office here, and we're going to go to plugins and make sure that's totally uploaded. It is. So now I can click activate, and now anytime I go and I make a post on my blog, let's do another post. We'll just add new. This is a test post. I'm doing a test post to show you how auto hyperlinks works. LizTomey.com. Okay? So if I click publish, and then we go back to our blog and we refresh, and it didn't do it. Let's see if it does it in the post. Yeah, it didn't do it at all. I think you have to add at least the www dot. Let's update it and see. Well, this one is not working on this blog. There might be some kind of issue with it. See if we hit read more. Still not working. Okay, what if we do HTTP and click update? And let's go back to it now. Yep, and still not doing it. So this plugin, it may be that it's out of date. I'll need to go and look at that. Or it could be that there's something with this theme that blocks it from doing that. But generally, let's see if we do. If you go over to, see if maybe that period was messing with it. Yeah, there, that's exactly what it was. If you put a period at the end of a sentence and then you go right to a .com, looks like it will not work. But if you do the whole, if you just put something in front of it, looks like it will then work, okay? Just if you put whatever .com in there. Good, I'm not losing my mind. That still works. Glad to see that. So that's how you install a theme. That's how you install a plugin. That's how you install the blog. Those are the three things you need to know how to do before you start trying to do anything with WordPress themes, plugins, or tutorials.